Hey guys, welcome back at CuisinArt. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix error EEO on CuisinArt coffee maker. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're getting the EEO error on your CuisinArt coffee maker, there are a few things that you can do here to solve this issue. So in this case, you need to start by performing a simple restart on the coffee maker. So in this case, you want to go ahead and unplug the machine completely and cut the power to it for several minutes, up to half an hour if you can, or even an hour if you can. So this will give it time to cool down and reset after that. Plug it back in, and error should be clear now. Now, sometimes just clearing the electricity or the power from your coffee maker can solve a lot of issues here. But if the error persists, it's likely caused by an issue with the pump not working properly. So this can happen if the filter is clogged or if there's too much calcium buildup in the machine, so preventing smooth water flow. So in this case, in order for you to fix this one, you need to descale the coffee maker. Now, you can do this by running a mix of water and vinegar through the coffee maker, or you can use the scaling tablets if you have one at home, specifically designed for this purpose here. So this will help you clear out any buildup and allow the pump to function properly again. Now, once you've descaled it, the error should be gone and your coffee maker should be back to working like normal. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at CuisinArt. Thank you for watching.